I just did something that I don't typically do. I just went to a long all-day car show called ToyotaFest. I drove my Toyota and actually had a good time. I usually prefer like driving events or small open houses or like impromptu kind of get-togethers. So this was a lot for me to kind of, sit in a chair, sit still and just soak it all in. But the setting was great. It was at the Long Beach Marina Park, kind of overlooking the harbor and the Queen Mary. And it was a beautiful day. It was fun to go to like a different event. So the Toyota culture and brand in general is just so diverse. Toyota made so many different vehicles. A lot of them are collectible now. And not just the vehicles, but the people that attend the shows are, just different, like younger. They're also more diverse. There's more families. There's young people into these cars. I don't know. It was a cool group of people, cool mix of people. I thought it was great. Toyota has the old school hot rods and customized stuff. They have some of the new kind of stanced cars. They have the trucks, of course, overlanding vehicles, motorhomes. I mean, there was so much there to see. I think it was about 350 cars. There's a lot of attention to detail, like in interiors and audio, which I used to like when I was that age. The event was judged and they gave workmanship awards. It wasn't like best build, not like a SEMA level kind of build quality. They really rewarded people for their workmanship, which I really like that. In fact, they gave an award to a Toyota Paseo just for showing up because it was an unlikely car to come to the event. And they thought that he should be or she should be recognized for bringing a Paseo to the Toyota Fest. There were a couple high dollar builds and people do spend money on these Toyotas, no question about it. But it was a good mix of like entry-level car enthusiasts and then all the way up to the top level, $100,000+ builds. So it was fun. I enjoyed it. So I'm not abandoning Porsche as a brand at all. I really like these cars. I like the events. The show and the people, it kind of becomes a little bit of one-upsmanship and it's a little bit more relaxed in the Toyota space. So that's why I did this video, guys. I wasn't gonna do it, but that's my thoughts. I prefer all cars. I'm not just loyal to Porsche. I like all car shows. The organizers did a good job of not excluding anybody. It wasn't a pre-1985 show or classics only show. There was new cars there too and customized stuff. It was good. You did have to apply, you had to send pictures of your car. Your car had to be approved, but they took a lot of very different cars. So you don't have to spend a bunch of money to enjoy a fun day out on the lawn with other car enthusiasts. Get a Miata or a Scion or something. I mean, anything is super cool as long as you care about it.